I'm Ella. We're gonna be making some slime today. Here we go. So first, we're gonna pour the glue in. We're gonna get as much in as we can. So we have baking soda. Wait, does baking soda come next? Let's pour it in. Now we're gonna mix.
Okay, so now the next thing that goes in there is, I think you get to choose the color you want to make it.
I'll choose blue because we haven't used much blue yet, so I'll do 2 or 3 drops. 1, 2, 3. Dad, now time to mix.
All right, yeah, so start mixing.
Will you close it? I need it closer.
Now it's all you, girl.
Your
Mix, girl.
hands get dirty when you make slime.
Okay, you got it mixed good enough? What do you think? Good mix?
Okay.
Okay, all right, well, now put it down over here. All right, so then
We're gonna squirt some of that in.
now we're gonna put the contact solution in there. So ready? Squirt.
Tell me when to stop.
Keep going. Squirtapalooza.
Tell me when to stop.
Squeeze. Squeeze it hard. All right. All right. Now let's try to mix. Start mixing. Can you mix? Mix-a-palooza. Uh-oh. Uh-oh.
Wait, let me feel how sticky it is.
Look at it. Look how sticky. Oh, it's starting to get sticky.
Oh, that's why we have that. And it still feels like slime.
Well, it should be. That's what you're making, right?
Yeah.
All right. Now here's the deal. All right. So give me that. Now, here. Give me that. Give me that. Nope. Nope. Now use your hands. Nope. Use your hands.
Why?
Now, if you put a little bit of baby oil in there, what it says with the baby oil is that it helps to make it a little bit easier to handle.
And it makes it smell good.
And it makes it smell good, so.
A little bit of baby.
Yeah, so mix it all in there. So mix it in there.
Now I'm using my hands. And I'm gonna try to get it all off. Oh, they don't work very good on napkins.
No. It's for you, girl.
Okay.
So what do you got there?
Got Smurf hands.
Keep going.
I
Hey,
wish-
Smurfette, what you got?
Okay. Let's get it all off. Okay, this isn't going out very well. Where's the mixer? I need the mixer to get it all off my hands. Like, it won't come off. And I still need, a bubble. Pop.
Maybe we need more contact solution?
I don't know, what do you think?
We need more or something.
No, it's not supposed to come off your hands. It's
Yeah, mix all that in, then I just put it in there.
Slimalicious! What?
Wait, does it stain clothes? Because I got some on my outfit.
You know what it stains?
What?
Your face.
Wait, does it stain clothes?
No.
No. I don't know.
Wow. Ick.
What do you think?
It's starting to get better, but I think we need more baby oil.
Baby oil?
Yeah, it's starting to get better.
Mix that all in.
Yeah, it's helping. It's helping. It's like just really. It's good. Yeah, go.
Looking good.
It's not sticky much anymore. Cool. So you'll see what we created, like a big batter of it. So much. It's cool and fun. I think we should put a little bit of that in.
You want to try to mix in some green now?
Yeah.
Okay.
Or make it icky brown
I
color.
think so.
Oh, so
Ready? All right, mix away.
Whoa, it's making it kind of cool. Green attached to it. Now we got some like green attached to it. Yeah. Yeah, kind of weird.
Is that green mixing in or no? Looks like it's just sitting there. So maybe you have to mix the food coloring in at the beginning part, right?
But it's cool, huh? Look.
It's kind of swirly looking.
Look at the green.
Like a little bit marbly on there.
It's not sticking anymore at all. And
Perfect. So you just had to adjust your contact solution. Put more contact solution in if it's too sticky, right?
yeah, that's my mom talking. She's right. She's the one holding the camera for this video. But my dad might be holding some. He's over there. I'm right here.